Brother teacher here. I've been asked many times, teacher, when are you going to give another self-defense seminar? Well, the answer to that question is next month. Here in Cincinnati, Ohio, June 16th, which is a Saturday, from 10 a.m. until 12 noon, 2 hours, I will be hosting a self-defense seminar / workshop. I will be teaching a comprehensive class on basic self-defense to intermediate and even advanced self-defense for the streets. This is for the ages of 18 and up. Sorry, no children in the seminar. The cost is only $25. For those that are in the Cincinnati area or will plan to be in the Cincinnati area during the month of June on the 16th, I welcome you. We will start on time, so please try to arrive approximately 30 minutes earlier. The doors will open at 9. The seminar will start or begin exactly at 10 a.m. You will also receive a DVD of the class that I will be conducting. It will be about a week later because it has to go through editing. So, do you really want to see what the system of Jinen Do is all about in person with its founder, Grandmaster Stroud? Then show up on the 16th of June. We look forward to seeing you. For male and females, it's for the general public, and it's also for martial arts instructors and practitioners, students as well. So, remember, all of those that are martial artists, don't wear your egos and don't wear your rank to the seminar. We're all students of life. So, when you come, the only thing that's required of you is to wear something comfortable. Some jogging or sweatpants and a loose-fitting t-shirt if you are the general public. If you are a martial arts practitioner, you can wear your dogi along with your dobok and your gi if you like, or your kung fu uniform. Something comfortable to practice self-defense in. Okay? I will teach you according to you, not according to some standards that someone else has set. So, it's an individual basis. The enrollment, we have a certain amount of space that we're trying to fill up, approximately 100 participants. So it's going to fill up quickly. So after you see this video here, this introduction of our seminar on self-defense next month coming up, please make sure that you chime in and let me know in the comment section below that you will be there. I'm going to take it for face value and say, yes, that person's going, so I'm going to put it in my notes so that I can find out exactly who is going to be there in attendance. Now, if you want to pay in advance, you may do that. You can use my PayPal email address in the comment section below. See you there.